All right, Friday morning, workout done. Last day of trading for the week. Jerome Powell Fed meeting yesterday, done. No big news there. Fed, super worried about the economy coming out of this pandemic. I think there's a lot of obstacles still yet to overcome, so they're gonna keep pumping money. So no change on the Fed front. What's going on with the markets? Well, not a lot. Stock market flat. Dollar was trying to pick up a little strength against a basket of foreign currencies, euro, pound. Not having much luck. Pretty flat right now. Oil having a real tough time getting over $60 a barrel in WTI. Speaking of oil, we got another big educational event coming up May 4th, virtual, free. You're gonna be able to sign up at nadex.com, click on learning. It'll be right there. It's another boot camp. Guess what we're teaching? Teaching how to trade oil and gold. Gonna get into some of those commodities. All right, folks, let's end this week strong. Let's have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy. Get out there, enjoy the weather, and I'll see y'all on Monday. All right, bye-bye.